Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on or off the memory saver feature in a Google Chrome web browser. So when it is enabled, it just changes how Google Chrome will look at background tabs. So rather than just letting them continue to update and process in background tabs are basically disabled, which prevent that from taking up system resources. So there are exceptions. You can enable certain website to not be subject to the rule, and you can basically exclude them, and we gonna cover that in this video. Open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select performance, and memory saver you just need to turn it on. When on, Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keeps Chrome faster. Your inactive tabs automatically become active again when you go back to them. If you want to allow certain website or web page to always be active, you just need to click on this ad. And for example, I'm gonna type here youtube.com, click on ad, it will be active. And that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.